Right, today we'll be looking at quadratic equations, and we are starting with factorization method. Example 1 we are looking here is factorize s squared plus 8s minus 20. The first procedure in factorization is taking this is called the first step, taking the first step to multiply the last step. So we have s squared times minus 20, which will give us minus 20 s squared. So we take this one as a point of consideration, that's minus 20 s squared, and we take the middle term plus 8x. We look for two factors that when we add them up or subtract them, it will give us 8s, that's positive 8s. When we multiply them, it will give us 20s squared. So what are the factors? How do we get these factors? We look for the numbers when multiplied, two numbers when multiplied, that's two factors being multiplied, and will give us the 20x. So let's look at numbers that can give us 20. We have 20 times 1. We have 20 times 1 will give us 20. But 20 plus 1 is 21. 20 minus 1 is 19. So therefore, 20 plus 1, 20 times 1 is not a factor. We'll take this one up. Let's try another one. We have 10 times 2. 10 times 2 is 20. Then 10 plus 2 is 12. 10 minus 2 is 8. So in other words, this one will give us the needed answer. So what we need is this one. So we have 10 and 2 here. So the factors we'll be using will be 10x times minus 2x. So we have 10x plus minus 2x. So with these factors we have gotten now, we can now use it to replace the middle term, which is this 8x. So we have s squared plus 10x minus 2x minus 20. We group them in two. Grouping them in two, we can now factorize. What is common to this is s and x. So you bring out the s, you have x plus 10. What is common here? Minus is common, so you bring out the minus. Automatically, as you bring out the minus, the sign between them will definitely change. So you have bracket x plus 10. These two brackets are same. So you take one of the brackets, you have x plus 10, and then s minus 2. This one becomes the answer. So for today, we'll be stopping here. In another class, we'll take another example. Thank you for your time.